Hi! In front of me is Honor 20e, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. After that, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title to it, choose location, set up notifications, set up notifications over here, minutes or hours before, and even pick starting hour or ending one. You can also take notes and do some other things over here. But when you're ready, remember to click on this icon at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it by holding it, clicking on this edit icon at the bottom, making your changes and clicking at the top right corner again. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that by tapping on it again, but this time selecting this pin icon at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!